Hi guys, it's Rochelle. I hope you guys are all doing excellent. Welcome to episode 6 of our Road to 10,000, where I try to get my portfolio up to $10,000 as well as earn an average of $20 in dividends per month. Before I get started, I just wanted to say that this is for entertainment purposes only. I'm no expert by any means and I'm still learning. At the end of March, my Robinhood portfolio closed at $5,300 flat, which I thought was pretty cool, and it's been a really big month for me because my portfolio reached over $5,000, so that puts me over halfway to my goal. Just at the end of February, my portfolio closed at $4,600, so that's actually an increase of $700 for this month. But before you guys think that it was from capital gains or anything like that, it really wasn't. My portfolio was actually down 3.68% for the month of March. This month was a decent dividend payout. Most of these companies have paid me before, so I'll try to go over them quickly. If you guys want to know more details about those companies, check out my older stock video updates. The first company that paid me is FHB, which is a local Hawaii bank. They paid me $2.86 for owning 11 shares. Next, I was paid 96 cents from AG&C for owning 8 shares. Then I was paid $2.01 from another Hawaii bank with a ticker BOH for owning 3 shares. And next, I was paid by CPF, another Hawaii bank, with a total of $2.99 for owning 13 shares. I definitely love investing in my Hawaii banks. Next, I was paid 12 cents by Stag for owning 1 share. I'm not really sure if I want to keep this or add on more shares to this. I'm thinking about rebalancing my portfolio. Next, I was paid 70 cents by O for owning 3 shares. I'd really like to increase my shares in O since they have recently become a dividend aristocrat and they pay a dividend of over 4%. Then I was paid by GBDC for a total of 29 cents for owning 1 shares, and they pay out quarterly. This is another company I'm not sure if I want to keep because I don't see myself buying any more shares in the near future. Lastly, I was paid 99 cents from SPHD for owning 7 shares. They actually decreased their dividends a little bit this past month. The grand total is at $10.92 in dividends for the month of March. It feels like I'm very slowly making my way to $20, but every little bit is progress. I can't wait to tell you guys one day that I've made $100 in dividends in 1 month. This month consisted of some really big purchases for me. I bought shares from 8 different companies and I also actually bought more than 1 share. I'm really notorious for buying 1 share at a time and then I get really excited that I made over 50% profit. Then I have to remind myself that I only bought 1 share. So in March, I bought 3 more shares of Shift of an average cost of $8.34. Next, I bought 6 shares of AG&C for an average cost of $15.84. Next, I bought 2 shares of O at an average cost of $59.15. I've been really trying to buy O for under $60, but now it has surpassed that and I think it's around like $63 now. Next, I bought 2 shares of TTCF for an average cost of $18.56 and we're halfway through my purchases. I bought 3 more shares of CCIV at an average cost of $23.04. I was able to purchase 2 shares of Palantir for $22.10 and 2 shares of OHI for $37.03 and lastly 2 shares of AT&T for $28.10. Before I wrap up this video, I just wanted to tell you all that I started investing and trading on Webull. This account is kind of like my play account, I guess, and Robinhood I see as more of my long-term investment portfolio. And before I get hate on this, my Webull account, I am not gambling my money. I'm still trying to make the best educated decision I can with every trade. My Webull account is still pretty small. It's under $1,000. One trade that I was super happy with was my Palantir trade. I was able to buy 10 shares for an average cost of $22.50 and I was able to sell it for $23.55, which left me a profit of $9.50, which I was super happy about because that equates to an over 4% profit. I have also made some not so smart decisions when I was trading initially, but I'll talk more about that on some Webull updates. This month has definitely been fun testing the waters trading on Webull. I'm still trying to improve my analytical skills and knowledge on trading, and I will be posting an update video on my Webull portfolio once I start getting things rolling a little bit more and completing more trades. Please like and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos on stocks, personal finance, or credit cards. Thank you for all the support. Let's excel in life together.